Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Destiny 2 account. To do so, you first need to open up a web browser on your device, and on the URL bar type bungie.net, which will take you to the official website for Bungie. Now click on Destiny 2. So once you've entered the Destiny 2 portal, you need to sign in first to your Destiny 2 account. As you can see, I've already done that. Now click on your profile icon right here. Click on cross save and then get started. Now check this box right here and then click on get started again. So from this page right here, you can link your Microsoft account or your Xbox Live account by clicking on this button, and then your PlayStation account by clicking on this link account button. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace.